impossible. He just killed the leader bug in one hit! Not just killed it! Look at those blades! The control on that, his sync rate has to be way over 60%! No, at least 80%! No, 90% or more. How is that even possible? He's just a natural.
So it was him? The one who saved me from the bug vengers?
Who the hell are you? A natural can't have this kind of power. Unless... No way it's him!
It doesn't matter who I am.
Just remember this. As long as I'm here, you bugs won't take a single step into human space.
Now, take your bugs and get lost!
Ha! You think that's it?
Oh god, it's absorbing the whole swarm. It's rebuilding itself.
We have devoured stars you fear to name. We have crossed voids you can't measure. I am the swarm. I am your fear. And your world will become dark!
Sir, medical assets are overwhelmed. Energy readings still climbing past the original max. 3 times! 5, 8! Its power has increased 10 times over!
No chance. Unless someone's as strong as the first Star Union chairman, nobody can stop this thing.
10 times? How are we supposed to fight that?
You're strong natural. You're the first to push me this far. But game over!
Orion, run! Get out of here! You've done enough! Please, just go! Stay alive!
You sure?
아래를 클릭해서 구독하고 전체 버전을 시청하세요.